Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A meeting in the calendar is simply an appointment that other people are invited to attend. When creating a meeting, you will invite attendees by sending them a meeting request email. On the calendar view page, you can click New to start a new calendar event. When the event creation pane opens, you can enter a title for the meeting in the Add a Title for the Event line. Enter the location of the meeting in the Add a Location line. When entering a location, you can select from the suggested options or click Search Bing in the small pop-up box to match your location to a map point. If your administrator has enabled rooms in your system, you will be able to add a specific room in your office for the meeting. You can click the Add Room button and choose a room from the list if this is an option. You will now want to choose the people attending the meeting. You can start typing the names of the people you are inviting into the line directly below People on the right side of the pane. Alternatively, you can click the plus sign at the end of the Add People line to open your contact list and choose that way. Click Cancel if you do not want to choose people from your contact list. And you can begin typing and choose from the suggested contacts if they appear. A Request Responses checkbox will appear above the attendees list. Leave this checked to require responses from attendees. When you have selected all the attendees for your meeting, you want to set the date and time for the meeting. In the first Start drop-down list, you can select the date for the meeting. In the second drop-down list under Start, select the time the meeting will begin. And in the End line, select the end date and the end time for the meeting. You can select the All Day checkbox to set the meeting for all day. You can set a recurrence schedule if this is a recurring meeting by choosing an option from the Repeat drop-down list. There are many options to choose from, and creating a recurring meeting will be covered in a later lesson. You will now want to choose which calendar you will use to display this meeting. You can make your selection from the Save to Calendar drop-down list. This list will contain all the calendars you currently work with. If you only have one calendar, this option will not be selectable. You can now set a reminder for the meeting by selecting an option from the Reminder drop-down list. The options range from 0 minutes to 2 weeks, with the default selection being 15 minutes. You can set how your status will be displayed while the meeting is going on by choosing an option from the Show As drop-down list. The options for this selection are Free, Working Elsewhere, Tentative, Busy, and Away, with Busy being the default option. When you are creating a meeting, do not check the private checkbox. Checking this checkbox will not share the meeting date and time. The invited attendees will only see that there is something scheduled, but they will not get the actual information for the meeting. You can create an email reminder for yourself or everyone attending the meeting by clicking the Add an Email Reminder link. In the section that opens, choose when to send the email reminder. Your options range from 15 minutes to 3 days or a custom time. And then choose who to send the reminder to, me or all attendees. And then you can enter an optional reminder in the Reminder Message to Send field. Then click Close to save your changes. If this is to be an online meeting, click the Skype Meeting drop-down and choose Add Skype Meeting. A Join Online Meeting link will be added to the body text for your meeting. You will only want to utilize this function if you are using Skype for Business through Office 365. A Skype meeting is basically a conference call using Skype for Business. This allows many participants to meet online without having to travel to an office location. Finally, enter the body of the meeting request in the large text box provided. When you have completed your selections and entries, you can click Send to send your meeting requests to the selected attendees.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.